Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. How to manage luggage in flight. 10 essential tips. Traveling by air is exciting, but managing luggage can often feel stressful. From packing efficiently to following airline baggage rules, smart luggage management can save you time, money, and hassle. Here are 10 important points explained in detail to help you manage your luggage like a pro when flying. 1. Know the airline baggage policy. Before you pack, always check your airline's baggage allowance. Different airlines have different rules for carry-on and checked luggage. Some offer free checked baggage, while low-cost carriers often charge extra. Policies also vary by route, class, and frequent flyer status. Right finger example, most international airlines allow 23 kilograms, 50 pounds, for economy checked baggage, while domestic flights may allow less. Knowing the rules avoids last-minute surprises at check-in. 2. Choose the right bag. Investing in the right luggage makes travel easier. For checked luggage, opt for a lightweight, durable suitcase with spinner wheels for easy mobility. For carry-on, choose a bag that meets airline size requirements, usually around 22 by 14 by 9 inches. Soft-sided bags fit better in overhead bins, while hard-shell cases provide more protection. 3. Pack light and smart. The golden rule: pack only what you need. Use a packing checklist to avoid overpacking. Choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched. Stick to travel-sized toiletries, under 100 milliliters for carry-on. Roll clothes instead of folding to save space and reduce wrinkles. Right finger pro tip: limit shoes to 2 or 3 pairs, bulky items can eat up space quickly. 4. Use packing organizers. Packing cubes, compression bags, and organizers help keep your luggage neat and maximize space. You can separate clothes, electronics, and toiletries, making it easier to unpack at your destination. Compression bags are especially useful for bulky clothes like jackets. 5. Secure important documents and valuables. Always carry passports, tickets, cash, jewelry, and electronics in your personal item or carry-on bag, not in checked luggage. Use a small crossbody bag or travel wallet to keep documents handy. If traveling internationally, make photocopies of your passport and keep them separate from the original. 6. Weigh your luggage beforehand. Overweight luggage can cost you a fortune at the airport. Use a portable luggage scale at home to ensure your bag is within the weight limit. If your suitcase is overweight, transfer some items to your carry-on or remove unnecessary things before heading to the airport. 7. Label your bags clearly. Attach a sturdy luggage tag with your name, phone number, and email. Many travelers also tie a ribbon or unique strap to make their bag stand out on the carousel. In case your bag is lost or misplaced, proper labeling helps the airline return it faster. 8. Follow carry-on security rules. Airport security has strict rules. All liquids in carry-on must be under 100 milliliters and placed in a clear Ziploc bag. Laptops and large electronics must be removed for screening. Pack your carry-on in layers so you can access items easily during security checks. This speeds up the process and reduces stress. 9. Protect fragile and valuable items. If you must pack fragile items, like souvenirs or electronics, cushion them with clothes or bubble wrap. Mark your bag as fragile if needed. Mark your bag as fragile if needed. Some airlines also allow you to request fragile item handling at check-in. 10. Plan for lost or delayed luggage. Even with precautions, luggage can get delayed. Always pack an essentials kit in your carry-on, a change of clothes, basic toiletries, and medicines. Keep baggage claim receipts safely. In case of lost luggage, report it immediately at the airline counter and track updates through their system. Final thoughts: managing luggage during air travel requires preparation and smart packing. By checking airline policies, packing light, securing valuables, and planning for emergencies, you can avoid stress and enjoy your journey. Remember, less is more. The lighter and smarter you pack, the smoother your travel experience will be. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.